Good afternoon, everybody. Con here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the ATDIAG OBD2 diagnostic interface. This is a generic ELM 327 adapter. So this will work with multiple apps, which I will show you here in a second. So it looks like this. It's got a status light on the side right here for power. This is a Wi-Fi interface, so it will connect to your phone via Wi-Fi. Like I said, this is a generic ELM 327 adapter, so it will work with multiple smartphone apps. The one I am using is OBD Fusion 2, or OBD-II Fusion, something like that. That's what it's called. Another one that is popular on Android is Torque. Those are both good apps. So with this one right here, you get a dashboard. So miles per hour, engine temp, RPM, MAF, fuel rate, battery voltage. You can scroll through these and you can customize the gauges as well to different items. So that's one cool dashboard. If you turn your phone to the side, if I had a rotation on, you can rotate it as well. You can get diagnostics to clear your check engine light, stuff like that. Obviously you do have to fix the problem first or it will come back. Different logs, monitors, stuff like that. So there is that one. A second one I have tried it with is OBD Car Doctor, which is the one that they recommend. This one doesn't show much in terms of like gauges and stuff like that. This is more like voltage and basically codes. So if you just want to read codes, OBD Car Doctor Pro is a good one. Torque is OBD Fusion is a paid app. They're both good. If you want to use the dashboard, I recommend OBD Fusion. Like I said, when you scan the QR code for this, on the box right here, it takes you to the Car Doctor Pro. That is the default app they recommend for iOS. I think their recommended app for Android is Torque, but it is a pretty small unit. It's very lightweight. Plug it in, use it, go to car, stuff like that. Keep it in your glove box. I do recommend it. It does perform well. The Wi-Fi doesn't have any issues connecting. It stays connected. Very good on performance. Like I said, the features you get out of it are going to depend on what app you use. This basically supports all the features of most of the apps I've tried. So I'm going to link this down in the description below for Amazon. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be down there. And as always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.